again with a new video, and this video is special than others because today we are going to unbox Oppo A31. So let's begin the video. So guys, let's talk about its price range. The price is about 2,999 and the color, there are two colors, white and black. And the RAM of this mobile phone, the variant which I have, the RAM is 4GB RAM and 128GB of storage. And if you want a more storage of, if 128 is less for you, so you can put a card inside. And so guys, let's talk about the front camera. The front camera is 8 megapixel and the rear triple camera is 12 megapixel. The processor is P35 octa-core 2.3 GHz and the battery is 4230 mAh battery. So guys, let's unbox our mobile phone. So now I am unboxing my mobile phone. It seems that Oppo has done a collaboration with ICC, because on every Oppo mobile box there is a logo of ICC. So now I'm opening the mobile phone box. As you can see, the first, as usual, we get the manuals and some SIM injection pin and a silicone case cover for our mobile phone and some manuals that nobody reads, but Oppo has to complete formalities. So this is our mobile phone. The color is, I think, black. Oppo A31. So let's keep it aside and let's see what things that we get in our box. As usual, charger and cable. So guys, this is our mobile phone and let's open it. And guys, please subscribe my channel and like this video and share and comment. So this mobile is super beautiful, as you can see. So now our mobile phone is ready. As you can see, the wallpaper is still amazing and mobile phone camera result is amazing. And one thing I should tell you that all of the Oppo mobile are similar. Just difference is camera result. As you can see, display and the setting, everything is similar of Oppo mobiles. Every Oppo mobile phone is a flagship mobile phone. So here is a theme store where you can get amazing themes and you can get a PUBG theme for your videos and a game space to boot up your game. So my dear friends, if you want to buy this mobile phone, so contact the number on the screen we have given, or otherwise you can check the description box. So if you are my subscriber and if you should buy this mobile from Al Communication if you can't go outside during lockdown. So you can just contact him by the number given on screen and you can deliver, their mobile will be delivered at your home for free home delivery. And if you are my subscriber, you will get discount on this mobile phone. And if you go to our outlets and you show my video and subscribe my channel, so you will be given a good